Okay, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. We're going to go through a whole talk here on what happened the other day on the tornadic stuff that we had in Timberlake in Lynchburg. Where's near the Bedford County border, 20 miles long, southern Amherst. This thing starts at Waterlink Road and then moves north-northwest, flipping cars and trailers. Then cross Boonesboro Road and went into Amherst County. So let's take a look where we're talking about here. Here's Waterlink Road. Here's Timberlake Road. So this tornado started over here. And this tornado ripped through the Starbucks, the Burger King, the floor place here, DNX Motors. This whole entire thing moving north-northwest during this time frame. But this thing would affect country cooking. You name it, this area was hit pretty good. Let's zoom out a little bit. So pretty much where we're going to start at Waterlink and go towards Boonesboro. Waterlink Road, there's your Starbucks. It's in the eastern side. It would go through areas, come across Boonesboro Road, which is up here a little bit. Move through the city of Lynchburg. So this is a pretty interesting storm. Like I said, it moved north-northwest and affected a lot of places. There's Rivermont Link. That's your Boonesboro area is right not far from this area. So that being said, this area was affected substantially. There's Boonesboro right there. Came up through Boonesboro, crossed the river, the James River. Came in through Elon, and this was where a lot of places were damaged. It's where it was the strongest. So it was a 20-mile path that ended in Elon. But Elon, Westview, Boonesboro, all the way down here, 501, 221, back down here to Waterlink Road. So basically this whole area here. I would start here, come up here, move across here, move into Westburg, Mayfield Hills, Blue Ridge Farms, Woodridge Farms, Beacon Hill, Irvington Park, Waterton. And like I said, we'll go towards the Boonesboro area. Come across Trent's Ferry. Here's Rivermont. There's Trent's Ferry. Come up through there. Move across the river into Elon. And end. So let me tell you, it was a substantial tornado. That was an EF2, high-end EF2 tornado that occurred. If I zoom out just a little bit better, remember Elon's right here. I put a X marker. So we started down here in Timberlake. Came all the way up. And ended in Elon. Very, very interesting amount of land it went through. There's Liberty. So it was West Liberty, which they got lucky on. It very close to, I would say it's probably got extremely close to Lynchburg College based on this. Lynchburg College was over here. So this was close to Lynchburg College as this moved through. Like I said, it went through Boonesboro, so it was close to Lynchburg College. Here's Boonesboro there. I'm going to try to Lakeside. Trying to get Lynchburg. Lynchburg College is here. Boonesboro is here. So here it's very close to where this crossed. Alright, so that's our first tornado. Another one was in another location in Newcastle. This tornado was a little bit better. It started here off Hawking Lane and zipped up to Wildcat Hollow. Not much of a path, less than a minute. That was that tornado. EF1 ran right across here, and that's what happened there. We have other tornado in Rockingham County we'll go into in another video. I want to show you potential other tornadoes that occurred. One would be called Emmaus Church Road in Chambersburg, where we had a total barn destroyed. That'd be down here near Hadley Farm. This was hit pretty hard. So we had a barn completely destroyed about a 1/4 mile path. So this is being investigated. Also, Danville is being investigated still. We also have Gretna and Chatham areas being investigated. So there's the times that we have seen. Let me show you some other videos, information. This is the storm, the actual supercell. And you can see this V. This is a strong supercell. And it has that hook echo here. Defined here. This was in Roanoke. South of Roanoke. This came in actually in a weird way. And it ramped to go northwest, and we hit in Craig County eventually. So this storm was a very ominous storm that day, and caused a tornado. This is a supercell, classical supercell. And purely some of the damage that occurred during this storm. There's the Med Express got hit. I mean, some of these areas were just, this is Lynchburg, just destroyed in areas. Really roughed up. EF1 damage in this area mainly. Just unbelievable for that area. So, stuff that the Burger King that was showing you, just amazing. And flipped cars. The potential of tornadoes were actually rather interesting. And that's just what gets me, is that the tornadoes that stay were pretty crazy. So one other thing that gets me about this Emmaus Church Road, it's gonna bug me, and hopefully there's potential they're gonna go out and look at this. I'm trying to get through out of here. I'm gonna pull back up what I had up here and explain it to you. I hate people that post fake stuff that drive me nuts. Was this one cell that went through Chambersburg and then hit us, me, and a few other firefighters coming down 460 with this. Here's 460. There's a completely rotating thunderstorm here in Thaxton. That is a strong inbound, outbound rotation. Amazingly strong. Red and green next to each other. 24s down here. This went directly there between there and Thaxton and came up straight. So that is for just an idea. That's right there. The rotation that would have come over the Emmaus Church and destroy that barn. So that being said, that should be looked at as a tornado also. We'll give you more information when more tornadoes are released. This is meteorologist Dean Davidson. Thanks for watching. We'll give you more information as information comes along. Thank you very much.